G'day folks, today in this quick little video I'm going to show you a very simple but yet very useful product for your GoPro Hero 5, 6, and 7 Black. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So as you can see here, because the packaging is transparent, it's just a case, but this case is a little bit different. So this case is by a company called Telesin, and I've reviewed many of Telesin's products in the past. They actually have some unique and interesting gear. Now what's interesting about this case is that it has a little bit of an opening at the bottom that doesn't completely seal. That allows you to protect your GoPro while it's attached to some kind of mount or pole. So let's just see how well the GoPro fits in there first. You can see it just opens up there like that. Kind of keeps it protected. So as you can see, you could use this just as a protective case for your GoPro and throw it in your backpack just like that with the GoPro inside. But where it comes in handy is for situations like this. If you have your GoPro on an extension pole, or here I've got it on the Fusion grip or some kind of mount, you can then put it right into the case just like that. Zip it up. And you've got your GoPro protected. Like this, you can now just throw it in your backpack or stick it in the side pocket, and you don't have to worry about damaging the camera. This is kind of styled after the Fusion covers. If you own a GoPro Fusion or have seen any of their videos, they have a case for the Fusion that is very similar to this, and it works very well. It's quite handy. You know, over a day, it can save you a lot of time because, you know, a lot of people, when they're using it on a mount like this, they'll take it apart so they can put the camera away safely, and then they have to reattach it every time they go to take it out. This way your camera's always attached, and when you're not using it, no matter how you store it, your front lens here and the back screen are always protected. And here I have it attached to the GoPro floating hand grip, and as you can see, it does come in quite handy. If you're at the beach or doing water sports and you're done filming for a bit, you just have to put the cover on like that, set it down, and you don't have to worry about damaging your camera if it's in some undesirable conditions. It also works with things like the Shorty and a wide variety of different mounts. So yeah folks, like I said, just a quick little video. This is by Telesin. I'll leave the links down below where you can go and check it out further. It's not a lot of money, but a good little investment, and definitely something I know I'll be making good use of. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it had value. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.